Disclaimer. This is not investment advice. This is just objective research summary so you can make decision easily if you want to dig deeper into the rabbit hole. Now, shall we go down the rabbit hole? So, what are the most important cryptocurrencies? Most of you'd say Bitcoin because it's the oldest and it has unique store of value properties and is completely trustless. Some of you might also mention Ethereum, which is like a global computer where people can build decentralized applications on top of it. So, what is Cosmos Network? Most of you have never heard of Cosmos, although it has been for a very long time in top 40 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. This is a project that focuses itself on interoperability. Although we've seen minor altcoin season, Cosmos has been lagging behind its competitors like Polkadot in terms of price. In the past few weeks, Cosmos has went live with many updates and several big ones are coming, and here we're trying to find out if Cosmos is building up next wave of momentum of growth. Short summary of Cosmos. It was founded in 2014 by computer scientist Jake Wan. In their initial coin offering, they raised over $17 million. Tendermint built the consensus mechanism which was launched in March 2019. So, what problems is Cosmos trying to solve? In short, Cosmos is trying to solve interoperability dilemma in digital asset space, so different networks can communicate with each other without the need of intermediaries. Cosmos is positioning itself as underlying fundamental layer for blockchain networks the way TCP/IP is for internet. TCP/IP or Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the internet. TCP/IP can also be used as a communication protocol in a private computer network, an intranet or extranet. It's a proof-of-stake chain. Its theoretical transaction per second count is 10,000. Validator limit is set to 125. So, some of you might also ask, what is interoperability? Why do we need it? Many of you probably know of Steam and Origin, where people can download different type of games. So if you download a game on Steam or have some kind of skins, you still can't use these type of skins or games on different platform. So this is a kind of a solution that Cosmos is trying to build. So let's get to the current state of blockchains. Blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Monero can communicate with each other. Interoperability allows blockchains built on the same software developer kit to communicate with each other clone of the same blockchain. It's like IP protocol used on the internet, which is a set of standards that allow various devices to communicate with each other, exchange data, and utilize their services. Cross-chain communication allows even more. Blockchains having cross-blockchain capability can communicate with almost any other public blockchain, but some condition must be met. You shouldn't confuse this with bridges, which are custom for each chain-to-chain connection, so the number of these bridges grows geometrically. Now let's go to the comparison of the biggest blockchains. Following picture is showing us technological information for biggest blockchains and some that focus themselves on interoperability. I will just pause it so you can observe the data. Now let's continue. So how does everything work? Cosmos is a decentralized network of independent parallel blockchains, each driven by BFT consensus algorithm such as Tendermint. The first blockchain in the Cosmos network is the hub, which has Atom as its token. Cosmos is an permissionless network, which means that anyone can build a blockchain on it. The ultimate goal is to allow many blockchains to scale and interoperate with each other, creating an internet of blockchains. Atom holders benefit from transaction fees and have governance rights. More use cases are going to be implemented in the following weeks and months. Now let's check Cosmos ecosystem. which is really huge. Its entire market cap is over $115 billion. It's the second biggest ecosystem after Ethereum. There are over 242 applications and services built on top of Cosmos. The following picture is showing us research data from Electric Capital, which was published in December 2020, where we can see that Polkadot and Cosmos are gaining the most developers. The networks with the most developers usually get more mainstream adoption. Follow the devs and you will be on the road of adoption. Inter-blockchain communication. The Inter-blockchain communication protocol (IBC) is an end-to-end connection-oriented stateful protocol for reliable, ordered, and authenticated communication between heterogeneous blockchains, arranged in an unknown and dynamic topology. The protocol realizes this by specifying a set of data, structures, abstractions, and semantics that can be implemented by any distributed ledger provided they satisfy a small set of requirements. IBC can be used to build a wide range of cross-chain applications, which include token transfers, atomic swaps, multi-chain smart contract, with or without mutually comprehensible virtual machines, data and code sharding of various kinds. It was launched in February 2021 and is live. More info can be observed on the following link. Map of zones is showing current live picture of different chains connected to Atom Hub. IBC is live for just few weeks, so many chains like Terra, Akash, Thorchain are still implementing it. Now let's go to the Atom's price. Cosmos focused itself primarily on technology and later on marketing, while some of competitors like Polkadot went on different path. First marketing, then technology. But I personally prefer first technology, then marketing. Coming upgrades. Stargate is live since February. Gravity DEX is getting launched until end of May. Limit order cross-chain automated market maker is also going to be implemented. Gravity bridge to Ethereum, staking derivatives, and Bitcoin bridge. All of this is going to happen in this year, but more information you can get on their GitHub. Now to the most interesting part, institutional adoption. Grayscale, which is the biggest asset management platform for institutions, has filed for Cosmos Trust in February. And if it gets confirmed, many institutions are going to get access of buying a Cosmos. Grayscale currently has assets under management of over $45 billion, which is really huge. And the second most important institutional adoption is Paradigm Venture Fund, which is basically co-founded by the same people that co-founded Coinbase, and they have invested over $260 million. Here you can see that the team that's listed on Paradigm and the team that's listed on Coinbase. You can basically see that the same people have that founded Coinbase have also invested massively into Cosmos. Now, and the third most important institutional adoption I found out is European Central Bank. The president of European Central Bank, Christine Lagarde, is really impressed of the developments and research into digital euro. In one of the following documents, what they found out is that the digital euro is being bottlenecked by lack of interoperability. And in one of the third documents I found out is that they are proposing to build digital euro on top of Cosmos, which is massive. This means that the institutions have basically found out how great the Cosmos technology is, and they do not follow the hype, they follow the technology. Now let's go to technical analysis. I personally think that Atom is forming a triple bottom, which is a very bullish formation. If we do not drop below $16.5, I think we're going to have a really slow build up and then a massive explosion after some of the following updates are going to be implemented. If you enjoyed this video and the information I share with you, please feel free to comment or like the video. And hopefully you'll see us next time. Thank you and bye.